Hey, Tim Cray here, Expert Power Wash, Vancouver, Washington. Don't mind the mess behind me there, guys. Constantly in and out of this garage, and get it cleaned up, and then a day later it gets messed up. But I wanted to share with you guys some tips, some things that I keep on the truck. Kind of a little magical box that gets me out of a pinch every time. So let's go ahead and take a look.
All right, here it is, the box of spare parts. So what we have here is a Milwaukee box. I picked this up at Home Depot. I think it was like 20 bucks. The box I had before this was Harbor Freight. Great store to get stuff, but sometimes the quality is not always where it should be. But definitely love the Milwaukee box. Let's take a look in here and see what we got. So this is kind of my little random area here. Show you, got some Teflon tape that I got falling apart here. Shooter tip. Just kind of put it in here. Haven't had a chance to get this thing going, but there's a lot of people selling these nowadays, and I got this one from Pressure Clean. Guy Blackman. So this is the original shooter tip. Kind of anxious to see what this will do with my 8 gallon a minute, but it's in there. I'll get that hooked up to a J-rod one of these days. Here, got some extra filters for the downstream. Kind of nice to have. They're cheap. I think I only paid like $1.50 maybe for these. Got the M5 twist nozzle. Thing works great. I prefer this on one-story houses. I still use my J-rod for, you know, the 2- and 3-story stuff. So this is in here. If I'm doing a 1-story, I switch to that. I got some extra spare parts for my pump-up sprayers. You can order these on Amazon. I think I paid like 15 bucks for them. It's good to have. These ends are always breaking. It's good to have a little packet of some extra things in there. I'm not really sure why I ordered this. This is a lance extender. Little proportioners for the X-Jet. These right here, these O-rings in the 3/8 and 1/4 inch. These things are worth their weight in gold. I've had these things blow out so many times. Get a little screwdriver or, you know, dental pick, pull them out of there, replace it. I mean, these are so cheap. I don't know why anybody wouldn't just have bags of these with them. So there, we got them. Got the X-Jet. Just got this new one in. Haven't had a chance to use that, but that's in there. Here's another good thing to keep on you. So I run the 2 nozzle bar for my Whisper Wash Classic, and here's extra replacement nozzles for them. And if you guys don't have this and your surface cleaner goes down, if you don't have 1 or 2 more of them or so, you're going to be out for about a week until you get new parts. I know some of you guys over in the eastern part of the United States or so can probably get these things in just a couple days, but I'm out here on the West Coast, it takes a little longer. So I got that stuff. Bunch of quick disconnects. I got the 1/4 inch ones. You can order these. These are the stainless steel ones from Pressure Tech. Super cheap, and this stuff's under like $5 a piece. So I like to keep 4 or 5 of each type of fitting. Got the 3/8. More 1/4 inch. I only got 2 more of these. Here's another really important thing to have. Downstream injectors. I can't tell you how many times I've had a downstream injector go out, and then, you know, it's just so easy just to reach in my box and just grab a new one, slap it in, and you're good to go. You're maybe down, you know, 10 or 15 minutes. But something like this that only costs $12 or $13, if you don't have this, all work stops. Well, sure, you can do other things, but downstream injecting for us is really important. Again, we got some more plugs here, 1/4 inch, 3/8 quick disconnects, I got 3 or 4 of them or so in there. More quick disconnects. So, long story short, grab 4 or 5 of every size that they sell. Get yourself one of these boxes and just kind of throw all your stuff in there. Everything's kind of all separated out by size, except of course that big old junk area that I showed you guys there. Really not junk, this stuff's gold to me, but yeah, I toss this in the truck and it goes with me on every job. And I've probably used this thing, I don't know, once, twice, maybe 3 times a week, just pulling out extra parts. And then when you guys use something, you know, take inventory of your stuff like once a week. When you use something, order it, replace it. Them downstream injectors, you know, I usually like to have 2, 3, 4 of them. Just had to use one the other day, so I got 2. I'm gonna order 2 more. So I hope this helps you guys. Anybody that's out in the field that thinks you're just gonna go out there with all brand new stuff, one of everything, stuff's gonna break, and it's gonna stop work. It's gonna stop production, and then you guys aren't making money. So get yourself a little box like this, throw all your extra parts in there, you'll be good to go. Something goes down, you're backing up running 10 minutes. So guys, have a great day. Subscribe, hit the like button. Maybe you didn't like the video. Hope this helps somebody. Have a great day.